After you've let go of something heavy, it's tempting to rush into what's next, to prove you're okay, to rebuild fast, to stay productive even in your healing. But you don't need to hustle your way into wholeness. In this video, I want to show you how to rebuild slowly with rhythms that protect your peace, not drain it. You'll learn what gentle strength looks like after the release. And if you've started reading Peace is the Permission Slip, now is the perfect time to revisit your starter kit and create your own peace practice plan. I'll guide you there softly in just a moment. But first, let's pause together. There's a quiet lie many of us carry. If I move fast, I won't feel lost. We rush into new roles, say yes too soon, fill the empty space just so it won't echo. But healing isn't something you prove with progress. It's something you live into through presence. When I released a space that had become misaligned, I expected clarity to show up immediately. What showed up instead was stillness. And to be honest, that scared me at first. I wanted the next assignment, the next open door, the next clear direction. But God didn't give me a to-do list. He gave me rhythm. And that rhythm healed what hustle never could. Gentle strength is often misunderstood. It's not soft because it's weak. It's soft because it's wise. It knows how to pause, how to discern, how to protect peace without apology. And that's the kind of strength your next season will require. Not the kind that overfunctions, but the kind that listens well and responds slowly. For me, this looked like anchoring into 3 simple rhythms. I call them my peace practices. Number 1, a weekly spirit check-in. Where do I feel peace? Where do I feel pressure? Number 2, a yes filter. If peace isn't present, I pause. Number 3, a boundary affirmation. I am allowed to protect what God restored. These practices didn't change everything overnight, but they kept me rooted. They reminded me I wasn't starting over, I was starting aligned. If you're standing in that post-release space, where everything is quieter, slower, and maybe a little uncertain, this is your invitation. You don't need to make it make sense. You just need a rhythm that supports who you're becoming. Go back to the final section of your Permission to Leave starter kit. Inside, there's a peace practice plan that helps you name your new rhythms, not to perform, but to protect. Use it. Reread your earlier reflections. Notice what shifted. Let your next steps be small, faithful, honest, spirit-led. And if you're not quite there yet, that's okay too. This isn't a race. It's a return. Everything we've explored in this series, discernment, release, gentle clarity, it was never about doing more. It was about doing what matters. If you started the book, let the starter kit walk with you now. And when you feel ready to explore your next chapter in community, I invite you to join me inside Balanced Success by Design, a private school space I created for women who are rebuilding in peace. It's calm, spiritually grounded, and intentionally off the grid of constant noise. You're welcome there whenever your spirit says, it's time. If this message helped you breathe a little deeper, I hope you'll stay connected. Subscribe to this channel so we can continue rebuilding together, one rhythm at a time. And while you're here, feel free to explore the other videos I've created for this season of your life. Each one is designed to meet you gently, right where you are. You don't need to fix yourself. You've already done the hardest part. You listened. Now, let's build a rhythm that honors that listening. Not in a rush, not for approval, just aligned. And I'll be right here when you're ready.